I'm going to show you how to remove Apache. At the end of this video, I'll show you where you can access the code to copy it and paste it just like I do in the video. And I'll show you how you can support this channel if you choose to. What happened is I was doing a video, install Apache. I made a simple mistake, totally screwed up the video, deleted the video, and then realized my mistake, of course. And so now I want to get it all the way back to the original so I can show you how to install Apache. So this is how to uninstall Apache. Okay, so we stop Apache. So we'll do that right now. Okay, so I'll clear it. Go there, stop Apache. I'm actually in the directories. I'll show you this in a minute. Remove packages and dependencies. All right. Okay, so I hadn't done anything for SSL yet. That's why that is showing no such file or directories. Okay. All right. Delete all package or all Apache config files. And here we go. Delete any site files. Clear the Apache logs. Sure, why not? Verify it's gone. Okay, so clear this. That's cleared off first. Sorry. I wanted to clear this. Which Apache? Yes, it should return nothing, and that's what it does. It returns that it can't be found, which is cool. All right, now I could reinstall if I wanted to. And that's how to uninstall Apache. So to find the code where you can, copy and paste it like I did in this video, go to evergreencode.com. And if you go to this URL, there you go. And if you forget the URL, just simply click on the search, type in uninstall Apache, and then it'll show it to you. See? And click here, and then you're at the article, and it shows you the steps that we went through, and you can just copy and paste the code. If you like this video, please click like or subscribe. If you want to see more videos like it, there's two ways to do this and to support the channel. One, you can go to youtube.com/@evergreencode. And the other way is to go to locals.com/evergreencode/feed. And this will have more videos similar to this one. I put my videos a week early on locals.com. So if you want to be ahead of the curve, go to locals. And if you don't care either way, just go to youtube.com. And I thank you for your support.